Welcome back to Smartest Arena. Video here, video be a virtual kwanya. Bit me just your mobile phone. A create simple website. Yeah. To make sure yourself be subscribe. Be subscribe now I share no I like it. See, for us to begin, make sure yourself be coding app or mobile phone. See, we may use coding app way.
Those big countries that you say accepting Akurugu from Ghana and visit yourself like that. When you do that, when House of Folk comes, Kotoko comes, Mediama, name them. When they come with peanut, that money they will give to you now.
So right now, you can just create index.html file and load it to this coding app. You be use to ChatGPT and they create a simple web page. You be call ChatGPT. See right now. Yeah, but my ChatGPT script. So let's say generate
The Black Stars have qualified for water. And your man for passport to me, the island, your man for check Canada, Mexico, then Ghana, and yes, and Kitwapra. They will every day. Yes, Jordan and you. Player. Oh, yeah, Jordan. The Black Stars have qualified. I mean, I never payment. Then they say when it comes to the Nations Cup, Ghana for to qualify. And people descended so heavy.
It says in your not finish here loading. About January, we just copy the code to our coding app. So let's wait for it to finish loading.
It took by people attack players, attack big men in the F. But today, of not qualify. Yes, it is a good news. It's a good news. But still, I am fortunate. Most Ghanaians couldn't enjoy the game. Oh yeah. So I know I can't. Almost a crown, almost a live TV, no being the paid TV. Yes. Everyone be a crown show to it. 60th minute. And I will do about 4 months. Oh, Susan. Some of us be Susan. What? Ghana home. Yes. I am on for your protector win. I'm on for an info. I suffer for prophet for so say you can't drop no problem. We are sick and tired. We say whereby you see them come and forecast.
See, your Ben say you copy code. You just copy the code here.
They look into the future, they make prediction.
Then you will come to the app here. Now I bet paste your code in our app. So let me paste the code here. What you do next is I'm going to save the file. I will save this file. Let me see registration. Registration. It's an HTML file, so make sure you name it HTML. Then you will save the file. So we are going to open it so that we can see how this thing looks like. Okay. Boom. So registration format. Yet me the ChatGPT create.
So how would you run now, sir? Why are you telling me on the coming?
Okay.
Make the offer.
Se o pese se o pese usua more about this with ChatGPT, make sure so be WhatsApp me. Now my guy do. After so make sure say obe subscribe. Obe click the subscription button and be subscribe. Let's support each other.